everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a natural cat eye. So I'm starting off with this Marc Jacobs foundation mousse, and I'm just applying it with a brush and really buffing it into my skin. Then I'll go in with this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just applying it under my eyes and where I have any blemishes, and it's super matte, so it dries really quickly, and I have to apply it really fast and just blend it out. And I'm using the Loxy brushes, which is from the collection with JD, and I just use this for concealer and like cleaning up my eyebrows, even though it's for contouring, but I never really contour my nose or anything like that. So I got these 2 years ago and they've lasted me a while, and my lips are busted because I keep picking them because my anxiety is really bad lately, and yeah. After blending with the brush, I will go in with a beauty blender and I'll just buff it out more. I tried doing that contour trick where you put concealer under your cheekbones, which clearly did not work, and it just made me look even more pale. So yeah, I need a darker shade of this concealer because it just does not look cute on me. Then I'm going in with this Becca and Chrissy Teigen palette, which is one of my favorite all-time like face palettes, and I'm just using the bronzer to bronze out my face. And then I'll use a blush on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm using that highlighter and I'm just highlighting my cheekbones and my nose and a little bit on my chin. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, and I'm just filling in my eyebrows. This time I want them to be a little bit more defined, so I'm trying to fill them in a little bit more and trying to really draw that arch and all that. Then I'm using my concealer to clean up my eyebrows and just make them a little bit more defined, and so that they don't look messy and just gross. Then I'm using the Glossier Boy Brow in clear, and I'm just brushing that through my eyebrows, and I'm trying to make the front of them like even because my eyebrows are uneven in the front, so I try to brush the hairs up so that they look even. Then I'm putting concealer as an eyeshadow primer, and I'm just blending that out with my concealer brush, then I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I'm using the shade Divinity as the base. Then I'm using this Eco Tools angled brush. It's a double-sided brush, but I'm using the angled brush. And I'm using that malted chocolate eyeshadow, and I'm just drawing the little wing. And I'm not the best and I'm not the worst at making like wings, but I try to really like swipe the brush quickly, and then I just blend out the tail or the wing, whatever. Then I go in for another layer of that same eyeshadow, and I just keep building up the color. And I'm trying to really make the wings sharp by cleaning them up with concealer. I ended up messing up the other eye multiple times, and I got it right at the end. And then I'm using that iridescent shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm using the Cargo Cosmetics gel pencil eyeliner, and I never really use it, but I'm using it on like my top lash line, and I just want to like really make everything darker. And then I'm going in for the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and I'm just applying it. I'm also applying some mascara on my bottom eyelashes. And I'm applying that same shade I used in the inner corner of my eye. I'm using the MAC Cultured Lip Pencil to line my lips. Now I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K liquid lipstick, and I'm just applying it on like the outer corners of my lips, just the outer parts of my lips, and because I'm gonna be doing like a little ombre effect. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped, and I'm just applying it in the middle part of my lips. Then I blended out my lipstick with my fingers, and then I just cleaned up around my lips with concealer. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!